mean BPN found this letter in Philomena's room?
Yes, she did.
She was pregnant for someone, possibly the Richard.
Wait, baby. Don't tell me you're having an affair with her.
What? Why must you talk to me that way? What's the problem? That's an insult.
I'm sorry, no offense.
No, you no. You don't just have to. You don't just have to say that.
I'm sorry.
Yeah? You don't just have to say that. That's an insult to me. What kind of useless talk is that?
I'm sorry.
Please take away this letter out of my sight.
I just said.
Why must you talk to me in that manner? Eh? Why? Why must you talk to me that way?
Richie, stop it. I just said I am sorry.
No, I am so disappointed. Please just take this letter out of my sight. So disappointed. She said her ex-boyfriend sent her the letter. Philomena is keeping a boyfriend while in my house.
So, who did she say got her pregnant?
Someone from her village, and later abandoned her with the pregnancy.
So, what then happened to the pregnancy?
She aborted it.
What?
She aborted it.
She what?
Aborted it. You know, I think it's time for her to leave my house. And I'm serious this time around. Very serious.
Richie, please let's just forget about that for now. Okay, it's not why I'm here.
Okay.
How far about what I asked of you? I mean, the money. Look, I don't have time again. Okay, December is just by the corner.
But you see, I am not actually in a position to do anything right now. You know, based on the losses I told you, the company is suffering. It's still on. We're still Richard, experiencing it. You
Richard,
know.
Please, I know you can help me. I know you can pull this. Okay, please.
I know I can do it. You be my guy now. It's a very simple thing that I can just do. I lose him, but I can do it like I told
Richard,
you.
please, I will pay you back. Okay, I promise. I will pay you back
My
to
God,
the last penny.
Understand me. Actually, right now, you know, I'm not in the position to do anything.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? It's obvious you don't want to help me. There's nothing to understand, Richard. But let me tell you, you are not my God. Okay? You are not my God. With or without you, I'll get the money.
Okay, calm down.
Have a nice day.
And where him the salary?
Richard! Hey! Richard had the heart to lock us up in the police cell for 3 days. Abaneto. Hey!
That boy Richard, he is wicked and heartless.
Wicked and heartless. I will teach him how to be wicked and heartless. I will show him that, see, when a son decides to wrestle with his father, the old man's scrotal sack will blind him. What a bullion na yenu, but even
Richard, that boy. That boy locked us up in the police cell because of our own brother's property. Eh? Why can't he go and fight for his own brother's property?
John no.
What are you going to do? Ikukupuria.
Hey, no, he will hear from me. He will hear from me very soon. Hey, please go. Come on,
Why is this thing happening to me now that I have nothing left in my shop? My men in the same line of business have gone far. Emeka bought 2 plots of land after the mansion he's built in his town. Nandi bought his second car 3 weeks ago and so many others. Why is my own like this? Why?
Why was Maziaga's daughter here?
So she actually came here.
You're not saying anything.
Mama?
I say, Mama. Mama what? Her name is Ebere.
Mama, I am not doing anything with her. Maybe she was looking for me to give her films. I'm not doing anything with her. Mama, why are you staring at me like that now?
I am staring at you so that you will know that if that girl gets pregnant, she's not coming into this house.
Mama, which one is pregnant again? I didn't get who pregnant. Which one is pregnant again?
Is Nkebo pregnant? Imara is 4 people pregnant. Anyway, Imanagi was a child. That is why you I know the kind of thing you will like. Mana kangwakwagi ife na so na egbu. Kwunyonu ge ba na amilo nwa ya fa puta. Ife ibute ka iye ebu. Mensokwa gi.
Ebere, why are you this desperate? Okay, let me wait until I see you. I wouldn't have gotten myself into this mess if I have listened to my mother. My anger is that Ebere betrayed me. She betrayed my trust. I want her to be very careful about getting pregnant, and she assured me that she cannot make such mistake. So what am I saying today? Ebere is pregnant.
What are you doing at home by this time of the day? Didn't you go to the market?
Mama, I am surprised you're asking me this. What am I going to the market to do when I have nothing left in my shop? What am I going there to do?
You're asking me. Are you okay, Naju?
Yes, Mama, I'm asking you. You're the reason my sister did not support me. Have you forgotten?
Hey. So wait. You're blaming me now for your own failure. Nam, you're not even serious. What's the meaning of that? Eh?
Mama, don't say that again. Don't. What will it take you to tell my sister to support me in my business? And I know the husband has the money. Am I not your son?
Okay. But, so Wadiro, very soon you will get married. Then you will see what it takes to run your own home.
What did he just say? Magini.
Marry.
To who?
Dolly.
Mama, I am not going to marry anybody because I have not accepted anything. I am not marrying anybody.
I got for no. When the time comes, we will see. But now, get ready for your family to be. Not just a woman.
Mama.
No, let me ask you. You are not going to marry. When you were busy doing pio, you didn't think of marriage. You didn't think of pregnancy.
Mama, what are you saying? What are you saying, Mama?
Even the way I'm seeing you, be ready for the child coming. They might even be twins. At the same time. Ready. Hey, bullets.
My mother likes causing problems in this house. She likes causing problems. If she has not stopped my sister from helping me, my sister would have given me that money.
A simple woman.
What is wrong with this one?
She's a simple woman. Do you know she don't have evil in her mind? Yeah. a simple woman. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. Mama mo wapala mawa, papa mo wapala mawa. Ni fagi baby kwalo mi fe. Mama mo wapala.
Okay, after you. Let's go.
Hello, Ginny.
Hi, Obayo. Is my husband back from work?
No, actually, I thought he was around, but your husband said he's not yet back.
Oh. Okay. I hope there's no problem.
Not at all. I have to leave now.
Okay. Ginny, who is...
Open the gate.
She's a simple woman.
How you put the gate? Okay?
She's my husband's friend.
You know, she don't have evil in her mind. Yeah, a simple woman. Pure heart, pure mind.
There's something about him that told me he lied to Ginny. But Ginny did not understand. Could it be that he's sleeping with Philo? Come here, you idiots! Are you mad? Are you stupid? Wait. Just take a good look at me. Am I not up to the level of people you greet?
Me? Greet you?
Where did they bring you from? Oh my gosh. Where did you come from? You know what? If you try to be rude to me, I will make sure you lose this your useless job. You idiot. You fool.
I take God beg you.
Bastard.
See, listen to me. I take God beg you. No use my job play with me. I beg. No try carry my job. Come for this matter again, no.
Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Idiot. You bastard. You nick on poop.
Now you the poop. You don't even mess on top of him.
Gosh, you're so local. Bastard. Idiot. Scallywag. Idiot.
I don't want this.
You're a big fool.
Hey!
You're a big fool.
Hey! Look at that fool. Me fool. Hey! I will not beat you today. I will beat you tomorrow. Hey!
Smell off.
Hey!
Idiot. Scallywag. Bastard.
Hey! This guy don't insult me. Let me this guy they call idiot. Let me where this guy they call idiot. Hey, Eriela Moshi. Person why I know where they carry and come for this compound. Hey! Hey! God of Abraham, my father. She they wash him. She they wash this guy they insult me. I don't want fast and pray for you. If I fast and pray for you for this compound, eh? Hey! If to say now when my real guys still there alive, eh? I for don't change that for you. Don't get shiage. Don't recharge. Hey! Don't worry. Me and you for this compound. I go wait for you. You go come up for this compound. I go just lock this gate. You go come inside this compound again. Then you go know say get men get power. Then you go know say me I be official GM from the Federal Republic of Nigeria. No problem. Me and you for this compound. Because see, I don't want verse for you. I just don't want verse for you. Oh, wow.
He will never go free.
Hey! Papa, what did I tell you when you were planning to go to the city?
And what did you tell me?
I told you not to go, Papa, didn't I?
Just look at you. I just told that stupid boy, that small boy, dead with us. No, also I happen. Now, some of you begin to plan or think or talk how to avenge or revenge or fighting back. You are here telling me, talking rubbish. What did you tell me? What did you not tell me? Is that what the kind of son I have?
Papa, both of you were lucky. I know your Richard has a good heart. Papa, if it were me, I would have called boys to flog you. After flogging you people, I will imprison you people. What an embarrassment. Meanwhile, see, Papa, me and my brother have told you already to stop following Uncle Formata. Papa, this man will put you into trouble. I have told you this before. I will go here before. If anything happens tomorrow, me and my brother will not come out. Papa, I have said my own.
No, see, nothing is going to happen to me. Nothing. You hear me? Richard is a small boy. His strength is in the city. Mine is in this village. By the time he comes back to this village, then you will know that this is your father. Sometimes my heart is here. Just watch and see.
Yes, just small threat. Obele threat on your room. Na jail for 3 days. You people came back with your bag like refugees. You people should leave that your man.
Like you don't even know your father very well. Don't even know me too well. But now, this time around, you understand me. Yeah, from
where am I? Where father?
Yeah,
I won't come.
Richard. I got the one here, Kwenka. Auntie Gwegwegwe. What it be your own? I ask you to eyelash. What it be your own? What it concern you concern my life?
I'm the only one that understands the content of that letter I found in your room.
Hey. Wait. So now you gather mind basically enter my room. What did my madam never do since when I come this house? Now you gather mind enter my own room.
Well, if you care to know, I saw you when you told to the gate man to collect the letter. And as a sharp girl, I had to go into your room. I was so curious, so I wanted to know what the content was all about. So
as a sharp girl, I had to go into your room to collect the letter so that I know what the letter is talking about, Mrs. Curiosity. Now that you curious finish, find what you want find out. When you go back, you collect check. Anybody give you money?
Well, you've not answered my question.
You want to know?
Who is Richard?
You want to know who Richard be? See them.
When did you bring this? Oh my God! They should have seen that. Oh, gosh!
Chini no day. Call her for phone. Goat.
Richard has refused to help me after everything I explained to him. It's obvious he doesn't want my progress. Now he's having my girlfriend in his house as his house help. Philo, I never imagined, I never would have believed that you have the guts to abort the pregnancy.
It's okay. I'm going to make the transfer immediately. Get the money, okay? And once you get it, just let me know. Hold on, I'll call you back. Yes, come in.
I'm here, sir.
What? I did not call you.
Oh, sorry. I thought you did.
Is anything the matter?
Actually, no.
Okay, if there's anything you want to tell me, go ahead and talk to me. I'm listening.
There's something I want to say to you, but I don't know how to say it. The truth is that I fell in love with you the moment I set my eyes on you.
Take your hands off me.
Come on, baby. Richie Pie, I love you. I'm in love with you.
Take your hands off me and leave my office now.
Come on, baby. Can't you feel it?
Leave my office now.
Baby, no. I love you.
Leave now. I said leave my office.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Ah, I love you, sugar pie. I love you.
Who do we have here? My able secretary.
Yes, so you can say that
look
again.
Amazing. Wow, this job actually befits you.
Thank you.
That reminds me. I hope my husband is not overstressing you. I hope they're not overlapping you, because I wouldn't want that for my friend.
No, not at all. I'm there to work, so I don't mind the workload.
Nina, she don't have evil in her mind. Yeah, a simple woman. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right.
Hey, baby.
Welcome. How are you?
So, how was your day?
Busy. Work.
Oh, sorry. We're just talking about you.
What's she telling you about me?
Nothing much. I was just asking her if the job was too stressful for her.
Answer the question.
But she already did.
It's okay, I'll be inside.
And I'm coming with you.
See you later, girl. Oh, okay.
She's a simple woman. Nina, she don't have evil in her mind. Yeah, a simple woman. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right.
morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. You're still cleaning?
Oh, no. I'm through, sir.
Okay. Have you compiled those files?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want them on my table now.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, dear. Sorry. Okay? Are you hot?
Yes. My ankle. Please help me up.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, okay, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, come on, come on. Easy. 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 Are you good now?
Thank you.
Sorry. You okay now?
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
You're such a nice man.
Thank you.
Sir, I'm sorry for my actions yesterday. Please.
It's okay. Get those files on my table now.
Thank you.
I thought I was doing a favor. I thought I was.
You're here?
Yes.
I actually went to your room and I knocked, but nobody opened for me.
Yes, I just want to relax here.
Really? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Are you going out?
Yes, the man that I used to buy things from just told me that he has new arrival. So I wanted to go check up some things. I mean, he imports nice things from Italy. Do you want to check them out? Let's go together.
That's interesting. What?
Let's go together.
Oh, baby, I'm so tired. I just want to rest.
Baby. Fine, just help me take care of the house. I'll see you soon.
Alright, baby.
Bye.
Bye.
She's a nursing mother. Look well before you accept. That one biggie mistake. It's your America. She's a nursing mother. Look well before you accept her. Before you make a mistake, make it your America.
My spirit, even my spirit and my conscience say this girl not be better person. Eh? This one na Roscoe. Oh, the Roscoe, those people be like say they deport from Italy. Eh? Just carry a big self and a big nyash. Come this house, look himself finish. He say na a friend husband in one wash. Okay? Well, I know they. Not be this house. Now me and am. This mirror, now you are sorry for self. Now you let them look all those big things. Eh? You don't see something. You don't see something. I'm not this
Obino, what is the problem? Why are you angry with me? Why? Is it because I told you I don't have money to give to you? Why, my person now? Why? Stop this thing you're doing. Hello? You didn't call the call on me. Obino, why are you doing this? Yes, who is that?
sorry to have disturbed you.
And what do you want?
Come on. Can't you be a gentleman and ask me to sit down?
I hope you know you're not supposed to be here.
Yes, I know.
So be fast. Say what you want to say and leave.
Well, I want to tell you that I have decided to leave your house.
Why?
Because you are a pretender.
Me?
Yes.
How?
Come on, Richard. Why are you pretending like you don't see me? Meanwhile, deep down your heart, I know you truly want me. I can see the fire burning in your eyes each time you set your eyes on me.
Vivian, please leave my room.
Okay. I know you want me, baby. Okay, I'll leave.
I won't say it again. Leave my room now.
Fine. I will leave. Stop pretending.
Come on. Stop it. I don't like something like this. I don't.
She's a simple woman. She's a simple woman. Do you know she don't have evil in her mind? Yeah, a simple woman. Pure heart, pure mind.
Madam, no.
I had your head in the boat.
Baby!
Honey, I'm in the restroom. Please give me some minutes, okay? I'll be with you soon.
Okay, I'll be waiting in the living room.
Okay, I'll be there soon, okay? I am coming. Come out.
Where is she?
Get out.
Has she gone?
Get out of here.
I'm so sorry, please.
I said get out of this place.
Richie, you were so sweet. Like,
Just-
I really enjoyed it.
Just go.
Baby, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Get out.
Okay, fine. I'll leave. But
What just happened? What did I do? Did I? What happened? Did I do that on my matrimonial bed? Oh, God. And how did she know I adopted Prosper? How? Oh. I've messed up.
Do you know she don't have evil in her mind? Yeah, a simple woman.
Hey, darling. Oh, baby. How are you? I'm good. You're welcome. Thank you.
thank you. Wow. You came back so quick.
I did. Wow. Maybe because I went alone.
Oh my God. This is so beautiful. I'm sorry.
Why didn't you go with me to pick up what you wanted?
I'm sorry. I would have gone with you. It's just that it was
that
a
what?
mistake. It was a mistake.
You said you were tired.
Oh, I said that?
No, I said that.
I actually forgot. Oh, Jenny, they are so beautiful. Oh, I love these. This is my favorite. I love these.
Really?
But these I'm going to steal it from you.
No, I'm not. You dare not.
I'll steal this.
You don't even try it.
Oh, please. Oh, Jenny, I have a lot of things. Wow. Yes. Oh, you have nice taste. Wow. He's really good and paired. I enjoyed every bit of it. He was so sweet. Now that it has started, there will be no going back. He was really shocked when I told him that I know that Prosper was adopted. Ginny. I'm sorry, girl. By the time you know what's happening, I will be pregnant for your darling husband.
You dey run go? Huh? Auntie, you dey shout?
Huh? What was that? What was the meaning of that rubbish?
I see you. I see you.
You what are you talking about?
And I they speak English. They speak English. They ask me. Make I advise you. For your own, you don't hold though. You don't know. Uku naga warawara. Anya naga warawara na fear. And you know so your uku big. Everything about you big, so you don't go feel hide. They see you. I see everything happen inside.
It's sexy. It's not big.
Okay.
Besides, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
I don't know.
Don't worry. They blink your eye. By the time when I tell my madam, you see this one, I go just forget her. I forgive you. Because the Lord said we should forgive people. I forgive you for this. I go just close my eye like I don't know what's happening. We go forget this one. But you see the next time, if I see you open your leg for my madam husband, wallahi, if I not tell my madam, make you know say my name no be Philo. See. Carry my go follow my madam husband.
Did she just plank my buttocks? Oh, Philomena, if she dares me, I will kill you in this house. If you dare me again. Rubbish. Philo?
Madam.
The baby's crying. Carry him.
Okay, ma.
Drop my food!
Ma?
Are you alright? I said carry the baby, not the food. Philo.
Sorry.
What is it? What is it?
Ma?
What is it? What is it? Are you there? What? Just get out.
Philo. What is wrong with you? You have something to say that is tangible. Say it and go. Let me eat my food in peace now.
Just go!
Okay. Philo!
Ginny, why did you allow her? Why did you allow that stupid girl to carry your food? What is your problem? Ginny! Philo, have you gone nuts? No, have you lost your sense of time? Why would you dispose my food in the dustbin? Why?
Madam, I throw one because I know what make you.
Why? Are you not? Are you not the one that prepared the food?
No, me.
So why will you throw it away? What?
I keep rat shit on top.
Philomena,
Ma?
Can you hear yourself talk? No, can you hear yourself talk?
Sorry.
Where's the food? Can you imagine that this girl threw the food away? She disposed my food. Why? Why? Huh?
Sorry, ma.
Hey!
Sorry.
Ginny, I blame you for this. How? How can you be pampering this stupid girl? How can she dispose your food? Foodstuffs are expensive! Ah! Now get out! You know what?
Ma?
I will deal with you later. Go and make another food for me to eat. I am so hungry. Dagona! She doesn't know that foodstuffs are very, very expensive! No. I'm dumped everywhere. Just sleep me. Jesus! Guy, this girl is a witch. She just spoiled my plans.
She's a simple woman. She's a simple woman.
I noticed you've been avoiding me recently. Why? Listen, if it's because of your wife, I think you should just...
Hey, Vivian. See, I've had enough of all this your rubbish, okay? If you continue like this, you're gonna put my marriage into trouble.
Really? You think you can use me and dump me just like that?
What do you mean by that?
Well, there's no going back. We're in this together. I love you from the depth of my heart. Can't you see that?
Vivian, please. This has to stop. And now.
It's too late, my love. I'm 2 months pregnant for you.
Are you mad? I mean, are you insane?
Maybe you have to check out the result yourself. And then you will know if I'm mad or if I'm insane. You can check it out.
Now get out of my office. Out.
Oh, no problem.
I said leave my office now.
It's fine. I will leave, but I know this is how you men behave. I know you will pick it up and check it out when I'm not here. I know you will pick it up and check it out later. You can do that.
Leave my office now.
It's too late. I love you, baby. We're in this together. I love you. Hey, babe. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. Come off it. You look upset. What's going on?
Babe, I am fine.
Baby,
I know my husband. I know when he's fine and when he's not fine. So tell me, what...
I said I'm fine.
Why are you shouting at me? No, tell me, why are you shouting?
I said I'm fine.
And you're still yelling.
Babe, I'm so sorry, okay? I didn't mean to shout at you. I'm sorry.
Get your hands off me.
I'm good. Are you alright?
I'm not feeling too well, but that's not the issue. You know, ever since my husband came back from work, he's been acting weird. He's been so upset. So I came out to confirm from you. Did anything happen in the office today?
Didn't he tell you what happened?
No, he did not. And that's why I'm here. To confirm from you.
Well, nothing happened. Maybe you should give him some time so that he will tell you why he's upset.
Some time? You know, this is unlike my husband. He has never shouted at me ever since we got married. He just yelled at me.
He shouted at you?
He yelled at me.
Wow.
He's so upset. I don't know why.
Like I said, I really don't know, but I feel you should just wait for him when he is in a good mood. He will tell you why he's upset.
You think so?
I know so.
Okay. I need to go take some nap. I'll be inside.
You really need it. You need to treat malaria, you know?
I think you're right.
Yeah.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Take it. Go and start a new life somewhere. Take it. You're leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning.
5 million. That's a good sum.
Please take it and go.
You mean I should go? Come on, baby. Are you serious that you want me to leave this house? Or you're just trying to do this because...
I need to save my marriage. I want you to go and forget about this family.
Richie, baby. Are you trying to buy me off for what? Would you rather prefer an adopted child to your own blood?
It's none of your concern. Just go.
That's impossible. I'm going nowhere. I love you and I will stay with you. I will stay here and have my child. Your baby.
I'd rather kill you myself than allowing you destroy my home. Just leave.
Kill me, baby. I would die for your love.
Why were you in my friend's room?
I've told you what took me there. Or are you still doubting me?
Listen to me. Richard, do I look daft to you? Fine, you said you went to my friend's room to borrow charger from her, right? What happened to yours?
You were using it.
Don't tell me that crap, please. What is your problem, Richard? Bibian is my friend. You ought to respect yourself as long as she is staying in this house. What is your problem? Can't you control yourself?
It's okay. It's okay, I understand, okay? I made a mistake by going there. It's okay.
Really? Okay. Now, where is the charger you said you went to collect from her? You went to borrow from my friend. Where is the charger?
She says she left it at the office.
You see what I'm talking about? You see what I am talking about, Richard? You are joking with me. You think I'm stupid, right? Hey. First of all, you told me you asked her for charger and then she said she left it in the office, right? Richard. So why look stupid to you? And you expect me to believe that you're telling me the truth?
Of course I'm telling you.
Oh, please. I don't want to hear anything from you. Listen to me, Richard. If you cannot respect at least me and your son, respect yourself. If you can't respect yourself, respect the manhood on you.
I thought I was doing a favor. I thought I was with my friends. But everyone told me I never paid attention. Rather I called it distractions. But now my heart is broken.
Thank God Ginny did not see this check. I wonder what he's going to tell her he was doing in my room. He thinks he can buy me off. I'm sorry, Ginny. Every young lady needs a rich, handsome man like Richard. I'm sorry, girlfriend. I can't help it. It's not my fault. Sorry. Your man is taken.
This my shoe put on the smell. We will begin to put camp inside the shoe.
Pure heart, pure mind. What you want is alright. Pure heart,
Hey,
pure mind.
Isaac, or whatever they call you. Take this money, go to the shop out there and buy me a recharge card. Hey, I'm talking to you. Take this money. Take this money and go out there and get me a recharge card of 1,000.
Hey, make I leave my duty post. Go buy a recharge card. How did it take sound for your ear? Make I leave the security work where they do for this compound. Make I leave this place where my Augusta assigned me to do.
Will you shut up your dirty, filthy, stinking mouth? You idiots! I said you should go get me a recharge card. What the hell do you think you are? You are nothing but a stupid gate man. Go and buy me a recharge card immediately. ASAP.
Hey, I don't know whether now you they turn to madam. I mean, madam they turn to you for this compound. Eh? Now, Oga, now you will employ me for this compound. Come say make I be here as the security officer in this compound, as the gate man. Make I leave the work where I
Will you shut up? You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Stupid gate man. Go and get me the recharge card. Idiots. Yes, listen, I don't have time to exchange words with you. Don't worry, very soon we'll know who is who in this house. By the time I go into the house and I step out and you don't give me my recharge card. You idiots. Rubbish. Ah! Nonsense.
Hey! Look at this one, oh. Eh? Make I leave my work, go buy you a recharge card. Since they shout like overgrown black chicken. Okay, no wahala.
Go and get me my recharge card.
Thank you for this one. I will use this one to buy bread and mineral this afternoon. It's part of the blessings from Abraham. Abraham blesses am I. It's part of this one. I can go buy Richard. Can you decrease?
I thought I was doing a favor. I thought I was with my friends.
Ayo. Mama, how are you? We thank God. Mama, guess what? The good Lord has done it for me and my husband. I'm just coming back from the hospital. And the doctor just confirmed that I am 2 months pregnant.
Ginika, what are you saying? Eh? Hey! Ginika, this is great news. I can't believe this. Nem, listen, you need to rest. You need a bed rest. Just get off the phone and rest.
Yes, Mama, I just go back home. I'm going into the house.
Brother, greet your husband when he comes back.
Yes, I'll tell my husband, of course. I will, Mama, I will.
Yeah? All right, dear. Bye.
Pure heart, pure mind. What you want is her right. Pure heart, pure mind.
Hey!
What you want is...
Hey! Ome woromya, ome woromya, ome woromya, ome woromya. Femada pugi meremo, me woromya. Ifemada pugi meremo, me woromya. Femada pugi meremo, me woromya. Hey! I just spoke to your sister on the phone and she gave me this great news. Hey, Chineke. You're listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Shai, my friend,
Yes, ma'am.
Your sister, Ginika, is pregnant. Great news.
Lord, I thank you.
We
I thank you for
glorify your
answering my
name.
sister's prayer.
Amen.
Mama,
And
she just called you.
yes. 7 months from now. Hey, Nakwam can neji jo omogo. Hey, I'll be heading out to the city for omogo. You got to go?
Father Lord, I thank you. Finally, my sister is pregnant.
Hey!
Mama,
Enna.
she called you herself.
Nenu nchoncho phone kambunaka. Ome woromya.
Ome woromya.
Ome woromya.
Ome woromya.
Ife mada pugi meremo.
Ome woromya.
Ife mada pugi.
You know, she don't have evil in her mind. Yeah, a simple woman. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. Pure heart, pure mind. What she wants is her right. Papa mo wapalo na wa. Ni fade baby kwalo mi fe. Mama mo wapalo na wa. Ni fade baby kwalo mi fe. I thought I was doing a favor. I thought I was with my friends. But everyone told me